Okay, we are going to
find Rebecca.
And this is our dog,
Kinzer.
And this is called a
Milk-Bone treat.
/ treat. And see this Kinzer? This is our dog Kinzer. Now Kinzer will try to find
Rebecca.
And he's doing cute face right now, so I will go hide, and Kinzer will try to find me, if he's smart enough in the brain.
We played this game with Decker when he was losing his vision to encourage him to use his nose and his sense of hearing to find things and to help him navigate through the house and the stairs.
And now we have Cutie Kerple doing it.
Okay, go hide. Kinsey, stay.
And turn your head.
No, that's okay. I got him. Stay.
Did you see me?
Nope. He's watching me. Good boy, Kins. Are you ready? Becca, are you ready? All right, you ready, Kinsey? Come on, let's go find her. Find Rebecca. Where is she? Where'd she go? Are you sure? Kinsey. He's going upstairs. Kinsey, come. This way. Come on, find her. Where'd she go? Come on. I think she went this way.
Make a noise.
He's not off to a good start. Come on, Kins, find Rebecca. Where is she? Find her. Where is she, Kins? Find Rebecca. Where is she, Kinsey? Find her. Where's Rebecca? Where is she, Kinsey? Did you find her? Are you sure? Are you sure? Is that Rebecca? No, that's a blanket. Where's Rebecca? You think she's under there? Are you sure? Because you went upstairs looking for her. Is she upstairs? You think we should look? Let's see. Is she here? Where is she? Find her, Kinsey. Let's see. Oh, it's a blanket. Where's Rebecca? Where, Kinzer? Find her. We'll keep looking. Where is she? Oh, good boy. Good boy, Kinsey. Good boy. Put his treat right on the stand for him. Don't throw it. Put it on the stand. Set it down. Good boy.